Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Cheney and I'm so excited to teach another day of math with you guys today. Before we get started, let's go ahead and center ourselves, and the best way to do that is to do some deep breathing. So let's close our eyes, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Last one, breathe in, breathe out. Let's go ahead and open our eyes. Alrighty, friends. Now, I do want to make sure that we center ourselves, and the best way to do that is to do some deep breathing. So, I'm sorry, not to do deep breathing, but to make sure that we're focusing our attention. And the best way to do that is to make sure that our ears are listening, our eyes are watching, our voices are quiet, and our bodies are still. Alright? Give me 2 thumbs up if you're ready to rock and roll today. Alrighty, friends. Now we're going to jump right into fluencies. Ms. Cheney is going to show you a number. When she snaps, you're going to tell me the number. After I snap, you are going to tell me how many more do I need to make 5. So in this fluency, we're going to be trying to figure out how do we make 5. So if I start with how many do you see? 1. Great job. How many more do I need to make 5? 4. Great job. So there's 1. If I add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would have 4 circles. I have 4 invisible circles right there. Alrighty, next. How many circles do you see? 4. Great job. How many more do I need to make 5? 1. Great job. So I'd act like there's 1 invisible circle right there. Great job. How many circles do you see? 2. Great job. How many more circles do you need to make 5? 3. Great job. Invisible circles, 3, 4, 5. How many circles do you see? 5. Great job. How many more circles do you need to make 5? 0. Great job. How many circles do you see? 3. Great job. How many more circles do you need to make 5? 2. Great job. So 3, 4, 5. Alrighty, friends, that was really great. If you need to pause that video just to practice some more, I really wanted you guys to be able to add on to a number to make 5. Alrighty, that's really important. That's a basic skill that I really want you guys to be able to have. We're going to move on, and we're going to move on by counting the say 10 way to 20. Alrighty, so we're going to do the say 10 way, and then we're going to do the regular way. Alrighty, get it ready. Alrighty, ready, set, go. 1, 2. 10. Great job. 10, 1, 11. 10, 2, 12. 10, 3, 13. 10, 4, 14. 10, 5, 15. 10, 6, 16. 10, 7, 17. 10, 8, 18. 10, 9, 19. 10, 10, 20. Great job. Let's count it regular way. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. If I know some of my friends are trying to beat me, just please make sure that you are saying and identifying the numbers that are within the tens, so that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Remember, hopefully you're saying that correctly. You're not getting confused on 13, 14, 15, 16. I know that can be tricky sometimes. Now we're going to move on to counting by tens. We're going to count by tens the say 10 way. Then we're going to count by tens the regular way. Alrighty. How many tens do I have? 1 10. Great job. 1 10 is 10. Great job. How many tens do I have? 2 tens. 2 tens is what? 20. Great job. How many tens do I have? 3 tens. 3 tens is what? 30. How many tens do I have? 4. 4 tens is what? 40. Great job. How many tens do I have? 5. 5 tens is what? 50. Great job. How many tens do I have? 6. 6 tens is what? 60. How many tens do I have? 7. 7 is what? 70. Great job. How many tens do I have? 8. 8 tens is what? 80. Great job. How many tens do I have? 9 tens. 9 tens is what? 90. Great job. How many tens do I have? 10 tens. 10 tens is the same as what? 100. Great job. Now go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job, friends. Last fluency. Yesterday we practiced on identifying our magic numbers within our tens, and so I just want you guys to be able to fill these in. Alrighty. If you have a piece of paper, it would be really a great idea to pause this video, fill in the numbers, and then continue on if you would like to do that. Or if not, I'm going to continue on. So I have 21, 22. What comes next? 23, 24, 25, 26. Great job. So if I were you, I will pause this video and then I'll be able to write what Miss Cheney already has and then fill in the numbers. All right, so you have 21, 22, fill in 23, 24, 25, 26. Great job. Next one. Remember, they are going out of order. Alrighty, so if I have 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Great job. And then the last one. All right, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Great job. I hope that you guys were able to pause those and were able to write those down so you can be your best self and really identify those magic numbers within our tens. Alrighty, we are going to move on to our application problem. So put your hands behind your ears and we are going to go ahead and get ready. Alrighty, so friends. Alrighty. Sam's mom has 10 apples in a bag. How many apples does she have in the bag? 10. How many apples does she have in the bag? 10. Great job. Sam's mom has 10 apples in a bag. Some are red, some are green. Your job is to figure out the number of each color that are in the bag. I'm going to say it one more time. All right. Remember, you should not be writing. You should be listening. You do not start until I say go. Sam's mom has 10 apples in a bag. How many apples does she have in a bag? 10. Great job. How many apples does she have in a bag? 10. Great job. She has 10 apples in the bag. Your job is to figure out how many are red, how many are green. All right. Some apples are red, some apples are green. Your job is to figure out how many green apples there are, how many red apples there are. All right. I want 2 different problems. So there's a lot of ways that you can do this. We've gone over our different ways to make 10. So I want you to make 2 different ways to solve this problem. I want a clear picture, I want it labeled, and I want a number bond. I'm going to give you guys 1 minute and 30 seconds. If you want, please feel free to pause this video just so I know that you are able to be your best self. Alrighty, my timer starts now. Go. Great job. Keep it up. Make sure your picture is clear and neat. You have about 1 minute and 20 seconds left. Great job. Keep it up. Make sure, remember that you have 2 different ways. You have 2 different ways. Great job that you have 2 different ways to solve this problem. Great job, great job, great job. Make sure you have 2 different ways to solve this problem. Make sure you are labeling. Make sure it is neat. Miss Cheney has already made her problems. Remember, there are a lot of different ways that you can make 10. Remember, there are many different ways that you can make 10. All right, you have about 20 seconds left. Keep up the good work, friends. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, that is my timer. Alrighty, friends. So there are a lot of different ways, like I said, that you can solve this problem. I want to see your answers first before Miss Cheney shows you hers. Alrighty. Okay, I like how you did that. Your picture is very neat. I like how you sorted them for red and green. Great job. Great job to friends who solved 2 different problems. Their number bond is excelente. Great job. Now Miss Jane's going to show you hers. Alrighty, so the first one. Alrighty, I have 3 right here. Then I have 7 right here. You can see how Miss Cheney didn't have a green or a red marker at this time. So Miss Cheney decided just to make it different for her. She put 3 right here and 7 right here. 3 and 7 make 10. Alrighty, friends. 3 and 7 make 10. Next. Another one. Alright. Is I did 5 and 5, 5 up top, 5 on the bottom, 5 and 5 make 10. And then my last one, all right, you have 2 and then you have 8. 2 and 8 make 10. Alrighty, friends, there's so many different ways that you could have solved this. You could have did 7 and 3, you could have did 9 and 1, you could have did 10 and 0, you could have did 6 and 4, right? There's so many different ways that you could have solved this problem, but I did want you to at least show 2. In Miss Cheney's case, she did do 3. Alrighty, we're going to move on to our concept development. Now, the concept development for today is really focused on, again, identifying the magic numbers, right? And being able to solve and say that these are the magic numbers, and then these are my tens numbers. Alrighty, so these are my tens numbers. So what Miss Cheney is doing right now is she is actually kind of folding, so you guys are able to see as it goes my tens. Just because I want you guys to be able to say, oh, this is the this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are the magic numbers that are within. Alright. It's not the best folding, but it will do. Alrighty, parents, I do think that this is a good thing for you to do. Just so it's lined up. Or scholars can do it and just make sure they line their numbers up. Alrighty, so let's count it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many tens do you have? You have 1 10. Great job. So we're going to say 10. We're going to say the number. They're going to say it the say 10 way. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. The next one. So we're going to move on, right? We're going to move on, all right? So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many tens do you have right here? You have 2 tens. How many tens do you have right here? 2 tens. 2 tens is the same as 20. Great job. Miss Cheney has to do some makeshift stuff. Alrighty. So now we moved on from 2 tens, 21. How many tens are in this number? There's 2 tens in this number. How many ones are in this number? There's 1. So that's why it's 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. How many tens do you have? 3 tens. 3 tens is the same as what? 30. 3 tens is the same as what? 30. So if I'm looking at this number, how many tens are in this number? 3. How many ones? 0. That makes 30. Great job. All right. So you have 30. Moving on. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Great job. 40 is what? 4 tens. How many tens do you have in 40? 4 tens. 4 tens is the same as what? 40. How many tens do you have? 4. How many ones do you have? 0. Do you see when I say 40? 40 is the same as 4 tens. How many tens do you have? 4. How many ones do you have? 0. Great job. You see how it all fits together? Amy's a genius. All right, the last row. All right, so you have 40. Move on to 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. How many tens do you have? 5 tens. 5 tens is the same as what? 50. How many tens are in this number? 5. How many ones? 0. Now I want us to count moving forward. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Great job. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Great job. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right. Do you guys see how lined up it is? All the numbers, so all the digits ending in a 1. So 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. Those are all lined up. All the numbers that end with a 2. All right. 3, 4, keep going. You see how it is neat. If you do want to make something like this, I suggest you make it really, really neat, and I suggest that you make your tens place a different color just so it's easy to identify. Alrighty, friends, that is all that I have for us today. I'm so excited that you guys are growing your brain. Please get on Zearn. I'm checking. I've only seen 3 of my scholars on Zearn this week, so I want you to keep going, all right? I also want you guys to get on Zearn. I just said that reading eggs, do your module packets, all right? I want you to do your module packets, but I also really, really, really want you guys to get on YouTube and watch my videos. I'm trying to see what day it is, so today is Hat Wednesday. Miss Janie does not have a hat, but please send pictures to your teachers of your hats and your work, all right? If you didn't show me or show other teachers work last week, show it this week. All right, I'll miss you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.